M3 CS. Before we get into today's video, be sure to subscribe down below and stay up to date with all the bells and whistles. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any more videos. And let's get straight into the M3 CS.
Yes, sir. All right, we got Danny right here. This is Danny's E46 M3. You want to... Tell us a little bit about the vehicle.
Yeah, so it's an E46 M3, 40,000 original miles. It comes with a 6-speed transmission, short shifter. It's got all the big stuff done, rod bearings, subframe.
Is it open?
It's not. It's not.
You got subframe done, rod bearings done. You got what kind of wheels are these? OEM comp?
Comp wheels.
Competition wheels?
Carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk. I mean, it's the real deal. And on coilovers.
And you're the second original owner?
Yeah. So my grandpa is the first original titled owner, and unfortunately, I ended up with that E46.
Well, show us what you really got in the shop right now that you got scammed on. Let's go check it out.
Come on, follow me.
What do we got?
We got right here
E39 M5?
E39 M5, E39 M5. We got an E93 M3, shoots flames, red interior DCT.
That's what's up. What's behind the car cover? Is that a good old classic?
It's an E30.
E30 M3.
LS swap.
LS swapped. Is it really?
Of course. You're done, come here.
On through the graveyard. A Range Rover graveyard.
A bunch of 5.0s with one head gasket.
Holy moly.
Yeah, that's a 5.0 out of a Ford. Right there. Gen 1. What am I looking at? The Bondo. Hey, thanks, bro. So what do we got behind us today? 2024 M3 CSL. It's the real deal. But unfortunately, we did get scammed on this thing. So tell us about what actually happened. What went down. $50,000 in stolen modifications.
Wow.
That's funny, but it's... So unfortunately, this thing did take a little bit of an impact. No frame. You got screwed. No frame damage at all. The floor is a little bit buckled.
Hold on. Say what again? No what?
No frame damage-ish. Let me put my straight arm to it. We got pushed in like about a foot. No frame damage, my guy. This is where the body should be, by the way.
Right.
Yeah. All right, so what really happened was we got the car from auction. We didn't really look over the pictures, and well, I'm gonna insert the pictures of the actual dealership photos. So someone stole a lot of parts from this thing.
What happened to the lasers?
Lasers, someone stole them, replaced them with these. What those are?
Not the lasers.
Carbon ceramic brakes.
Hold on, let's see the CS buckets real quick.
CS buckets?
What happened?
Not there, someone stole them. I'm gonna insert a picture, man. This is not even funny. And someone stole the carbon ceramic brakes they put on these soft ones. We got to auction, hit the brake pedal, all the way to the floor. We're like, what's going on? We did a little further investigation, and dude, Danny, what do we gotta say? This explains it right here. Back to auction.
Let's show them the rear end.
In the rear, regular competition wheels.
See, it says CS. It says CS.
CS, frozen paint job, and someone took the actual M Performance exhaust and replaced it with a freaking OEM M3 exhaust. Extra puggy. Fitment is good.
If you look at it from this angle, it's a CS.
Hey, show them the center console, sir. Hey.
Oh, that feels so good. Yo, Donnie, what do you think? Is going back to auction?
It's probably going back to auction.
This is gonna go back on the road, sir. Somebody's gonna be daily driving this with peace.
Man, what a car this could have been, man. Look at these paddles. Let me show them these paddles real quick. Beautiful. Look at these.
300 miles on the vehicle, by the way.
300 miles, Alcantara, full Alcantara steering wheel.
I'm disappointed in the auction, bro.
Yeah, well, at least we got the carbon center console, but doesn't make up for the stolen seats.
Since it's a real CS, it comes with a full dry carbon underneath, which is pretty sick.
New YouTube video drop.
Coming soon. What do you think, dude?
Check this out. Flexing straight to the hose. The windshield hasn't even cracked. Oh. And that would indicate a lot of structural damage. Unlike this guy's Hellcat.
I mean, we're gonna attempt to give it to the Slavic Russian guy, and he's gonna attempt to fix it for us.
Gosh, heavy. Do not. Dude, I don't think they got enough section to fix this thing, actually.
Why did they?
Dude, my workers, they need to be questioned.
That whole thing. Why didn't you just get one?
Oh my God. They did it again enough.
Oh, we got scammed.
Bro, we got scammed on eBay.
We got scammed again.
He bought it right here.
That's crazy.
My worker's getting fired.
Gonna have to ship that crate back. All right, guys. So this is my buddy Danny's E36 M3 that he just repainted full respray at Mako, and they did pretty good. They asked for the extra coat of clear, cheapest E36 M3, and it's boosted. Check it out. It's got a supercharged, what brand supercharger is this? HPS supercharger. How much power do you think you're making on this one?
About 450 on pump.
450 on.
Show them this fifth gear. I think I'm in neutral.
I'm coming, Donnie.
You can see it used to be the Laguna Seca blue. Mako did a little overspray, but it's all good.
Yo.
And then we got Donnie sitting in the Corbia bucket seat.
That's neutral. That's fifth gear, but it's still neutral.
Hey, dude, you take it easy on the shifters. It needs new shifter bushings.
Right.
But hey, check it out. It's got the upgraded M3 lift kit on the spoiler. Got the little spacer. Really clean. I mean, if y'all want to see more on my buddy Danny's shop with a lot of BMWs, he's got way more in the showroom. He's got a M4 CS, big turbo, 1,000 wheel horsepower, M2, like the new one.
Bro, you got Ram headlights?
But yeah, if y'all want to see more on my boy Danny's BMW collection, be sure to subscribe down below. What else you want to tell him? DJ's Garage. Check out DJ's Garage. He's gonna make a comeback on YouTube. All right, guys. So I want to give my buddy Danny, a shout out. Thanks for letting us come check out your shop.
Hey man, anytime, man.
And hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video, so subscribe. And he's got a lot more BMW M's in there, so if y'all want to see any more videos, he's got E60 M5, M2s, M3s, 4s. He's got all of them pretty much. So if y'all want to see more videos with my boy Danny, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to DJ's Garage if y'all want to see him make a comeback. And you got anything you want to add?
Stay tuned for the stolen Hellcat video.
Hellcat video, we're working on the video.
Part 2 coming soon.
Part 2 dropping next week, so subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.